Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the subject name is environmental science. Today we are going to discuss about the another topic of unit 7, that is environment and human health. So this is the topic 70, and before starting the topic I would like to tell you today PPT has been made from these following books, and you can go through this book for more information. So let's start with the today topic, that is environment and human health. Environment, as you know that we are going to discuss about that how the environment impact the human health, and is there any impact of environment pollution in the human health, and how the human health is impacted by the environment. So this all about we are going to discuss in this particular session. As you know that human environment pollution has a direct as well as indirect effects on the human health. इन्वायरमेंटल जो पोल्यूशन है वो डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन में इम्पैक्ट करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द WHO, it is according to WHO health, it's a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू जो कंप्लीट फिजिकल मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग है, वो उसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नॉट merely the absence of disease and infirmity. Human health is influenced by the many factors like nutritional, biological, chemical and psychological which are related to the environment. तो सिर्फ हम when we talk about the human health, it not related to the mental and physical and mental and social well-being of the uh, it basically it's include all the physical, mental and social well-being of the human being, not only the absence of disease. We mostly think that if a person don't have any disease, it means that person is healthy. It doesn't mean that absence of a disease it means healthy person. Healthiness is basically a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being are also necessary are required for a healthy human health. Human health is basically impacted by or influenced by the n number of factors like nutrition, biological, and chemical. So the human health is basically considered or can be completed by physical, mental, and social well-being of the person, not by the absence of disease. Major, or you can say that an environment can affect our life drastically by bringing about the change in condition of life around us. An unhealthy and degraded environment may reduce productivity of agriculture, animal husbandry, and fisheries, causing shortness of all type of food stuff. Major health problem associated with the degraded environment may be following types. तो क्या क्या ह्यूमन प्रॉब्लम्स एसोसिएटेड है डिग्रेडेड मींस डिक्रीजिंग इन्वायरमेंट के कारण या पॉल्यूटेड इन्वायरमेंट के कारण क्या क्या हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम आती है. द थ्रेट ऑफ इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज, ह्यूमन हेल्थ में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है ड्यू टू द डिग्रेडेड इन्वायरमेंट के कारण या खराब इन्वायरमेंट के कारण इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज का थ्रेट रहता है. थ्रेट ऑफ एक्सपोजर टू द टॉक्सिक केमिकल का थ्रेट बढ़ जाता है जब हम पॉल्यूशन जो इन्वायरमेंट पॉल्यूशन इंक्रीज करता है तो ह्यूमन हेल्थ को टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स एक्सपोजर इंक्रीज हो जाता है. रेडियोएक्टिव मटेरियल, हैवी मेटल्स एंड टॉक्सिक ट्रेस एलिमेंट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस ड्यू टू दिस degraded environment, and it also impact the human being. And hidden health effect of the polluted environment on human lives created. तो इस वजह से हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो प्रॉब्लम है ह्यूमन हेल्थ की एसोसिएट विद द डिग्रेडेड इन्वायरमेंट के साथ, तो हम इसको और डिटेल्स में पढ़ते हैं कि क्या क्या और प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो पर्टिकुलर पोल्यूशन के साथ ह्यूमन हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट करती है. लाइक एयर पोल्यूशन एंड ह्यूमन हेल्थ. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द एयर पोल्यूशन एंड ह्यूमन हेल्थ, इट मींस एयर पोल्यूशन एंड फिजिकल इलनेस क्रिएट होती है. एंड डिप्लीशन, एयर पोल्यूशन से डिप्लीशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर होता है, एंड इट आल्सो रिजल्ट इंक्रीज ऑफ नंबर ऑफ कैंसर पेशेंट, बिकॉज ओजोन लेयर जो होती है वो क्या करती है, प्रोटेक्ट करती है हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन को टू रीच over the earth. But due to the absence of ozone layer and depletion of this ozone layer, the harmful radiation reaches to the earth, and it causes the cancer kind of a skin cancer kind of a disease or skin kind of a problem related to the human kind. तो human kinds को problem create हो जाती है, and it leads to a increased number of cancer patient. And exposure to the air pollution also causes a lung cancer, asthma, chronic bronchitis kind of disease. Also, air pollution also impact the human health by creating a mental kind of problem. Adverse effect of the efficiency of the liver and kidney को problem हो जाती है due to this air pollution. And adverse effect like digestive problem, impairing of functioning of kidney, anemia kind, and nervous problem, and the brain damage हो जाता है due to the air pollution. So we have understand, now we can understand that how the air pollution impact or affect the human health. Now talking about the another pollution, that is the water pollution. Water pollution and health. Waterborne disease, when the water get polluted, then it create a waterborne disease. Water related disease creates like cholera, dysentery, typhoid, jaundice. These the disease which is caused by the non contaminated, which is basically caused by the contaminated water, and it is basically create a different kind of a disease to the different kind of waterborne disease to the human being. And industrial, which highly toxic, producing nervous disorder, and high concentration of fluoride in the water. It also water is also comes under the water pollution. It leads to a disease that is a fluorosis disease, जिसमें killing of teeth and problem create हो जाती है. ये भी एक तरह का, you can understand that ki how the water pollution impact the human health, or how the water pollution create a disease to the human being. The presence of lead in the water also causes a liver and kidney kind of a damage. Arsenic, copper causes mental disturbance and hypertension related kind. तो arsenic से mental disturbance create होती है, and copper की presence अगर water में ज्यादा है, then hypertension kind of problem create होता है human being में. So you have mentioned here the number of problem that created due to the water pollution. Now talking about the another pollution, that is soil pollution in human health. How the soil pollution impact them or affect the human health, that is a sewage and industrial effluent which pollute the soil, ultimately affect the human health. And various type of chemical like acid, alkaline, pesticide, insecticide, pesticide, and fungicide. These are the basically pesticide which used to increase the production of the agriculture. And these pesticide used and it affect the soil fertility and causing the change in the physical, chemical, and biological properties. इससे क्या soil का pollution increase हो जाता है, and acidic pH can impact on the soil. And इस वजह से क्या होता है कि यू कैन से दैट एसिडिक जो होता है, इस वजह से कहता है एसिडिफिकेशन प्रोसेस होता है, जिससे क्या होता है कि दो acidification can elevate the level of soluble ammonium and magnesium ion which are highly toxic to the many crops and plant. And this synthetic, जितने भी synthetic ये pesticide है, chlorinated and hydrochlorinated, which is DDT, and जो अलग तरह के harmful chemicals use किए जाते हैं as a pesticide and as a fertilizer, and non biodegradable जो ये मटेरियल है, ये जो फर्टिलाइजर है, ये सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को डिक्रीज करते हैं, एज वेल एज ये एक बायोमैग्निफिकेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि जितने भी हमारे फूड चेन है, फूड चेन में जितने भी एनिमल्स है, उन सबको ये इम्पैक्ट करता है. तो सॉइल पोल्यूशन नॉट ओनली इम्पैक्ट द सॉइल प्लांट बट इट ऑल्सो इम्पैक्ट द ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड इट कॉजेज अ डेंजरस काइंड ऑफ अ डिजीज टू द ह्यूमन काइंड, लाइक कैंसर काइंड ऑफ डिजीज क्रिएट हो जाती है. तो ये लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है जो कि सॉइल पोल्यूशन जो है वो ह्यूमन हेल्थ को बहुत लंबे समय तक, बोले लंबे टाइम तक अफेक्ट करता है. एंड नाउ अनदर दैट इज अ रेडियोएक्टिविटी पोल्यूशन एंड ह्यूमन हेल्थ. As you know that radioactive pollution is basically created by the human being, and ionization and radiation can affect the living being by causing a harmful changes in the body cell and also changes at the genetic level. जो basically nuclear kind of energy production में जो सब्सटेंस क्रिएट होता है, दैट इज रेडियो एक्टिव. दिस सब्सटेंस जो होता है रेडिएशन क्रिएट करता है, जो कि रेडिएशन जो होती है ये हार्मफुल चेंजेस करती है ह्यूमन बॉडी में, और ये हार्मफुल चेंजेस जो होते हैं जो जेनेटिकल एंड बॉडी सेल्स में चेंज करते हैं, एंड इट लीड्स टू अ जेनेटिक डैमेज, एंड इट्स बेसिकली क्रिएट अ जेनेटिकल काइंड ऑफ डिजीज क्रिएट करते हैं. जैसे हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी में जो फर्स्ट टाइम जब न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब का यूज किया गया था, तो उसमें कई समय तक, कई लॉन्ग पीरियड टाइम तक वहां के लोगों को कई तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुई ड्यू टू दिस काइंड ऑफ रेडियोएक्टिव पोल्यूशन. एंड कैटरेक्ट, eye problem, cancer of bone, thyroid, breast and lung and skin, and radioactive iodine accumulated in the thyroid gland and causes a cancer. तो ये अलग अलग तरह के डिजीज क्रिएट होते हैं ड्यू टू द रेडियोएक्टिविटी पोल्यूशन टू द ह्यूमन काइंड. Now the sound pollution. Sound pollution means noise pollution. Noise can be causes temporary or permanent hearing loss, and it lead on the intensity and duration of the sound now. Very loud, sudden, impulsive and noise can be a bump blast. तो बहुत साउंड लेवल पे जितनी भी पोल्यूशन होता है, नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है, ये डैमेज कर देता है हम हेयरिंग हेयरिंग इम्पार्ट कर देता है, हेयरिंग लॉस कर देता है human being ki. And high level of unwanted noise and coins adversely affect both the psychological and the physical health of the human being. And it also create another kind of a problem like aggressiveness, sleep disturbance, and headache, irritability, fatigueness, and sometime hypertension or the and also change in the blood circulation, and also other related body fluid due to the, it also create a problem related to the mental or disorder create कर देता है, and psychological and physiological health problem create करता है, adverse effect करता है human being में. So this is all about the how the pollution of the environment, how the environment impact the human health. So we have to understand, we have now understand, I hope you will get an idea how the sound pollution and different kind of pollution affect the human health. So this is about the today's session. Thank you, my dear student.